Want to create a new project in Basecamp? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up a project step by step so you can start organizing your work efficiently. First, open your web browser and go to the Basecamp website. Then sign in with your email and password to access your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to look around. This is where all your projects and tools are managed. Now find and click the button labeled Make a New Project. It's usually clearly visible on the dashboard, since creating projects is a common action. Next, you'll be taken to a setup page. Here, enter a name for your project. Choose something clear and easy to recognize so your team understands it instantly. After that, add a short description. This should explain what the project is about and what you plan to achieve. Keep it simple but informative. Once everything looks good, review your details carefully. Now, click Create this project. Basecamp will generate your project and take you directly into the workspace. From here, your project is ready. You can start adding tasks, inviting team members, uploading files, and organizing everything in one place. And that's it. You've successfully created a new project in Basecamp and are ready to start managing your work.